In this video, I'm going to show you how to get $400 free on the Coinbase app. Coinbase is a crypto-based app. They have an exchange. They allow you to buy and sell crypto. You can swap your crypto for other cryptos. You can stake your crypto and earn rewards. And you can earn rewards from other learning programs. So basically they have it all. The first thing you can do is sign up with my link in the description. That'll get you a little bit of a bonus if you go through those steps. If not, no big deal. Now let's come into the app here. Once you get the app, you're gonna wanna get all set up, connect your accounts, get approved, everything like that. It's standard with every investing app. And I'm gonna show you how you can start to earn money on Coinbase. So first of all, they have the Earn tab here in the app. You can stake some of these cryptos. Like Cosmos, you get 10.34% APY. So I've made like $4 just holding that, so that's pretty cool. Not a big deal, but just something that I've tested out. One of the best ways to earn is through their Learning Rewards program. You can see that here in the middle of the screen, and I could tap on that, or you can tap the dots in the top left corner and get a bunch more options, see what the app is all about, and you can scroll down and go to Learning Rewards this way. If you scroll down and go to like past history, it'll show you some of the stuff that you did in the past. So you can see I've earned some there, but I've been doing it a long time and that's only showing a couple. You can see right here I can earn $12 of the VET token. If you do the Coinbase wallet quests, you can get $30. So these new learning activities are always popping up and they usually pay pretty well. And it's a good way to get started and learn and get free crypto. So I'll just need to tap on start and go through these lessons and get the $12. So like I can tap start here. What is VE chain? It's going to tell you all of the information about it, and then it'll give you a little quiz. So I got that one correct. Just earned $1 in VET, and you can keep going through that and earning. Let me go back here and show you where your rewards show up. You can go to My Assets, scroll down, and you can see right here VeChain. That's the VET token, and my balance is $1. So there you have it, how to get started on the Coinbase app and make some money through Learning Rewards. And you can earn up to $400 with all of this stuff in the app. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.